Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see chapter number 5, data handling, from exercise 5.2. So what is the chapter is? Chapter 5, data handling. Okay, and in the previous video we had already seen exercise 5.1. Clear? So today we are going to see exercise 5.2, the first question. So what the first question says, a survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following question. First question, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Second, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Third, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CD, how many of each type would they make? So dear student, what is the question here? In this question it is said that a survey is being conducted in the group of young people. Okay, and the survey is about music, that how many percent of people is going to like semi classical music, how many type of people or percent of people like classical music, folk music, how many percent of the people like light music, that is given in the pie chart. Okay, so a survey is conducted for the liking of a music, a different type of music, and from that survey the percent of the people who are going to like the classical, semi classical, folk and light music is drawn in a pie chart. That means here no need of drawing the pie chart, already in the question a pie chart is being drawn and given. Then by looking this pie chart graph, we have to answer the three questions. So what is the first question asked here? If 20 people liked the classical music, the percent here in this pie chart graph, classical music is liked by how many percent of the people? 10% of the people here given. But here in the question, 20 people liked classical music. Here number of people asked, number of people is given. Okay, then if 20 people liked the classical music, then how many young people were surveyed to find out to 20 people? That means कितने लोगों का सर्वे हुआ होगा तब जाकर के 20 people क्लासिकल म्यूजिक पसंद है ऐसा पता चला. That is asked in the question number first. Have you understood the question? Then second question, it is said that which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Which type of music here asked student? So here how many types of music is given in this pie chart graph? That is four type, is it? First is the semi classical, second is the classical, third is the folk, and fourth is the light music. So among these four type of music, which music is liked by the people the maximum? Okay, so highest, that maximum number of people we are liking the light music over here. Okay, that is 40%. By seeing the pie chart only we have to answer this. Then if a cassette company, here the number of CDs are how many given in the question? 1000 CDs are given. Then how many of each would they make? By using this 1000 type of cassette we have to find the number of people for classical, semi-classical, folk and light, because here all the four type of music is given in the form of percent, but in the question number third here asked how many, that means percent will be converted into number over there. Have you understood up to here? So what is the solution? Let's see the solution. So here 10% of 100 people, 10% represent 100 people. So dear student, how the 100 people come? How many number of CDs is given in the question number? So number of CDs casted by the music companies, how many? 1000 CDs is given in the question. Okay, to find the number of people of for the 10%, how to we will going to do? 10% of 1000. Okay, so 10%, that means 10 upon 100 of means into 1000 will be number of cassette. So the two zeros from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. 10 into 10 will be how much? 100. So that's why these 100 people represent, that means 10% represent the 100 people. So have you clear how the 100 people come here over here? Next part of the question, 20% people represent how many? That means 20% people like the classical music, isn't it? How many percent of the people like the classical music? That is given in the classical music liked by the people is 20%. That is already given in the pie chart, that classical music is liked by the 20% of the people. Now how many survey were conducted by the number of people survey conduct to find out? So here in order to find, we have to find that 100 into 20 upon 100 is equals to 200. How 200 comes? Because we are going to deduct, then 100 into 2 is equals to 200. Have you understood? Now from where this 100 comes? This is the question, isn't it? Upon 10. 10 comes from 10%. 100 comes from 100 people liked. 20 comes from 20%. So 100 into 20 upon 100 is equals to 200 people. In 200 people were surveyed. Have you understood how the 200 people comes? So from here it comes. Now since 40% of the total people were surveyed like light music and no other form of song liked more than that, we can conclude that light music is liked by the maximum number of people. So for as I while explaining you the question, I had already said you that what is the maximum number of percent given for if looking the pie chart, that is 40%. And what is that type of music is light music is very much liked by the percent, that is 40% of the people, isn't it? So that is the answer for question number second, for second part of question number 1. Now here as number of CD is given for question number of here the third part of the question, isn't it? So number of CDs is equals to 1000 is given. Now individually we have to find out the people, isn't it? So for the first music, first is the classical music. Classical music is liked by the 10%. So 10% of 1000 we are going to find. So 10 upon 100%, that means 100 itself, isn't it? So 10 upon 100 into 10,000. Cancelling the numerator and denominator, 10 into 10 we will get 100 people. So here we find out the 100 people. Okay. Now second is how the 1000 comes, student. 1000 is the number of CD. Remember, number of CDs is given in the question itself. The third part of the question number 1, it is given 1000 CD. That's why. Okay. So next, second the same part we are having. So number of CDs is equals to 1000. Clear up to here? Now 10% we had find it. How many people will be there? That is 100 people. That I had already shown you at the first part of the question. Then second is how many? 20%. So 20% of people are how many? Semi-classical. So 20% of 1000, isn't it? So 20%, that means 20 upon 100 into 1000 will be there. So 2 zeros from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. 20 into 10, it will be 200. Have you understood here? So you can use here. So here instead of this step, you can write this step directly. So if you feel easy, you can write this step easily instead of writing this step. Both are same, having the same meaning. Okay, it is not different. Next part, what is said 40% or 30% people like the folk dance. So number of CDs we are having as 1000, isn't it? 1000 CDs. So 30% of 1000 CDs. So 30 upon 100 into 10,000. Okay. So 2 zeros from the numerator and denominator, it will be get cancelled. 30 into 10, it will be 300 people. Clear up to here? Next we are having about the light music. So Light music, how many percent is given there? How many percent are given? 40%, isn't it? So 40% of 1000 CD. So 40 upon 100 into 1000 CDs. So two zeros from the numerator and denominator, it will be get cancelled. 40 into 10. So 40 into 10 will be 400 people. So have you understood how it comes? So dear student, in this way we are finding the number of people for 100 which are liking the classical. Semi-classical are 200. Then light music is liked by 400 people and folk music is liked by the 300 people. So adding all this, how much we will get? So here it will be 1000. Have you understood? At the beginning I told you that when we added the percent, that means 10%, 20%, isn't it? 30% and 40%. When the percent is added, that comes 100%. So 100%, that means 100 people will be there. So here number of CDs, that means 1000 CDs we are having. So number of CDs will be equals to the number of percent. So here number of CD is 1000, that means number of people will be 1000 itself. So have you understood how to find this question? So it is very simple, students. Once you will going to practice this, it will become easy for you. Okay, so in this way we are finding the solution. Now second part of the question, what it says that a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons: rainy, winter and summer. So here how many total people is given there? 360 total people are given. How many people? 360 people. Okay, among the 360 people, a vote is going to be conducted. That suppose in a class we are 30 students if we are there, and a teacher is going to ask that how many students is going to like the winter season, how many students going to like the summer and rainy. So in that way, a 360 people, total number of people are 360, and among that 360 people, their favorite season is being voted by them. Okay, so first question, which season got the most votes? Second, find the central angle of each sector. Central angle of each sector, that means in the question number 1 we had already drawn, pie chart is being already drawn, that is 10% music, 20% music, 30% music, 40% music. So that percent only is said to be as a central angle, and with the help of this central angle we are going to draw the pie chart. Okay, so in this question we have to draw the pie chart using the data which is given here in the question. So have you understood, student, how many total number of people is given? Total number of people are given as 360. Okay, now let's see. So let's see the solution. So 150, okay, plus 120 plus 90. So adding all this, how much we will get? 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 5 is how much? 60, isn't it? So carry 3. 16. Carry 1, not 3. So giving carry 1 to 360. So this is the total people where the vote is conducted. Understood up to here? So how many total number of people? How we get the total number of people? By adding the people vote for summer, that is 90, the people vote for rainy is 120, and the people vote for winter is 150. Adding all the votes we are getting 360 people total. Okay, now according to the first question, first part of the question number 2, winter season is most vote. In the first part of the question it is asked that how many votes are maximum votes for the, what is asked in the question, maximum votes is given for which season. We are having how many seasons we are having? Summer, rainy and winter. This 3 season is having. Summer is liked by the 90 people. Okay, number of votes is given for summer is 90 people. then for rainy season number of votes is 120, and for winter season number of votes is 150. That means here the number of vote for the winter season is the maximum. Here number of votes for the winter season is maximum. That is asked in the question number 1. For second question number 2, it is asked that how many maximum number of people votes for which season. So that answer will be winter season got the most vote, that is 150 votes. Clear everyone here? Now in the second part of the question, it is said that you have to find the central angle. What is asked here to do? We have to find the central angle. So dear student, listen it very carefully how to find the central angle. So first of all, what we are having over here, summer season is given as 90 people. Okay, rainy season votes is given as 120 people, and winter season votes are given as 150 people. These are the number of votes for summer, rainy and winter season. Okay, now here in the question number 2, second part, it is asked to find the central angle. With the dear student, with the help of this central angle, we are going to draw the pie chart. So what do you mean by a central angle? I will explain you. Suppose this is a circle, and the circle can be drawn of any radius. Okay, you can take either 4 radius, 5 radius, 2 radius, 2.5 radius, any radius you can draw a circle, and keeping the center, this is the O part. So any part if we are going to do, so this angle is known as central angle, means this one. So here we are going to see the 3 colors. So this is the winter, this is the summer, and this is the rainy, isn't it? So finding the central angle, with the help of this angle only we are going to draw the pie chart. Okay, so for drawing the pie chart we have to know the central angle. Okay, so let's see for this how to find the central angle. So as I told you that summer 90 votes we got, isn't it? Rainy 120 votes we got, and for winter we got 150 votes. These are the 3 seasons. Now central angle for summer, how to find? While adding this total is given in the question itself, or if it is not given we have to find by adding this. Dear student, if total in this question number 2 total is given, okay, that is 360 people were voted, but if suppose total is not given in the question, then we have to add it with our own, because this total, with the help of this total only we are going to find the central angle. Okay, so first finding the central angle for summer. Okay, first part we are going to find, that is central angle for summer. So summer, how many people we are having? 90 people were given votes, isn't it? So finding the central angle, what we are going to do? 90 upon how many total people are there? 360 people are there. And what is the angle of, have you remember that complete angle? What is complete angle? Is 360. That means what is the total angle of a circle we are having? 360. So that total angle will be multiplied with this. So here 360 will be get cancelled, 90 will be the people. 90 degree is the central angle for the summer season. Now for the rainy season, how many people are there? 120 people are there. Finding the central angle, what we will going to do? 120 upon, what is the total we are having? Total number of people 360 into what is the complete angle of a circle is, that is 360, isn't it? So 360 divided 360 will be get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. We will get the answer as 120 degree. Clear? Now in the same way, the third part, the central angle for the winter season. So how many people vote for the winter season? That is 120 people vote. Now finding the central angle for winter season, 150 divided by 360. Here in the denominator 360 will be always what? It will be always the total number of the people given in the question. Here it will be always total number of people, total number of animals, whatever is given, that we have to find the total and put it in the denominator. And here this 360 will be for the sector angle or a central angle or a complete angle of a circle. So 360 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. We will get the answer as 150 degree. So have you understood? So what will be the central angle for summer season is 90 degree. Central angle for rainy season is 120 degree. And central angle for winter season is 150 degree. Have you understood up to here? Now, the second, let's see. Now, in the third part of question number 2, it is said that you have to draw a pie chart. Now, student, listen very carefully how to draw the pie chart. Okay, in order to draw the pie chart, it is very important to find the central angle. So, using the second part of the question, we had found the central angle. Okay, now we will draw the pie chart. How to draw the pie chart? So dear student, you have to draw one circle of any radius. Remember, you have to draw a circle of any radius, either 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, depends on you. The radius of the circle is always depends on you. So take a rounder, measure 4 centimeter or 3 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter radius on the mouth of your rounder. Draw a circle on a copy. Okay, where you are solving, there you have to draw. Then suppose this is the center. Okay, now what you have to do? First we have to draw the 90 degree. As we know that this is the a circle can be divided into two equal parts. Of course we can divide it, and if we divide this, it will be 4 quadrant. Like this we can divide a circle into 4 quadrant, because this will be 90, this will be 90, this will be 90, this last part will be also 90. So can we use this angle as a 90 degree? Of course we can use. That's why here it will be 90 degree a summer. Have you understood up to here? So first we have drawn a circle of any radius, then making 90 degree for the which season? For summer season. Now how to draw for winter season? For drawing the winter season, you have to use a protector. What you have to use? Use a protector to draw. Suppose this is a circle, this is center. From the center it is 90 degree up to where here we have drawn. So this is the protector center. So this center and this line you have to keep here. The center of the protector you have to keep over here, and this line, the right hand side line, you have to keep in this. That means protector will be kept like this part. Have you understood? Then वहाँ से आपको 150 degree with the help of your protector, 0 of the protector here, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this 120 will be here for the protector. Then again using the protector, this center part, as I had drawn on the screen, this central part you have to keep here, this lining part you have to keep the here for the protector, and from there 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, like this 120 will be here. So in this way you have to draw the pie chart, student. So have you understood how to draw the pie chart? Once you draw, you will understood. So for today, thank you everyone. We had in this video we had only had completed the 2 questions. Okay, so try to solve this 2 question with yourself. If any doubt is there, can ask me through my WhatsApp number. Next other question I will give you in the second video. So for today, thank you everyone.